All right, this is for all my RV buddies, friends out there. Check your water heater. This is what I pulled out of there. Just like this. When I pulled it out, it's like, look at that. Had no idea I needed to change this out. This thing's about, trailer's 6 years old. For 6 years, and I never thought about it until I saw a video. Had no idea. Anyway, check it every 6 months, no more than a year, definitely. So, yeah, you got to stay on top of that stuff. I had no idea. Stuff I learn all the time. So, anyway, I'm going to get to work on that. Got the rods on Amazon. Not too much money. It's a pretty simple fix. Yeah. All right. Take care.